My name is Marek Bush.
My name is Kothney-Issa Bush.
And we are in our tiny home in Jacksonville, Florida.
That we have named the fun-sized home.
We have not named it
Yes,
that.
we have. Yes, we have. I mean, really, I like the fact that we are always close to each other because we work such opposite schedules. So being that it's tiny, there's not really, you go in that corner, I go in this corner, and we're here together. And I just like the idea of a tiny house. So my favorite thing about our tiny home is definitely the kitchen. I'm super excited about the fact that we're in a tiny home and still have counter spaces because we have this whole section that I usually never use. I'm always like on this little side right here, the counter space. It's great.
I think my favorite part about our tiny home is just that it's our home. Something about ownership just feels different than renting. You know, just to be able to own this and be able to pay for it in a reasonable amount of time, it's just freeing for us. So it's new for us. You know, it's small, but it's ours.
Sleeping in our new loft feels really homey and safe and cozy. And I think it's because when we were in the downtown loft, it was a huge space and it felt very airy, and now it feels like tight and cozy and
yeah, it's really comfortable.
And there's nowhere for you to go.
Nowhere. Yeah, it's really cozy, and I love that we were able to still keep the king size bed. So Florida has been good to us from a weather standpoint. We love the weather. I like being able to just kind of go out, no jacket, and not having to think about it, have my windows down in my car.
So I'm all about like the hot summers where people are like complaining, it's so hot. I'm like, this is perfect. I'm like, let's go to the beach, let's go get in the pool, all of that. So I'm all about the weather. This is home right here.
Yeah, home is wherever my wife is, my family.
Fun size! This is our fun size home!
Hey guys, Alexis and Christian here with Tiny House Expedition.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And click left or right for more tiny house stories and tours.